Well, the B West Bite is a focus on one number that tells us a whole lot. Corey, this is probably going to go down in the history of B West Bites as the best bite there is.
It's a good number. Number's 1. It's how many babies were delivered by Bloomberg West anchor Emily Chang this weekend. Cooper Stull was born at 9:17 a.m. on Saturday morning. So here's a picture from the show on Friday when we last saw Emily. During the show, I had a picture taken with her because she was actually having contractions that were 5 minutes apart. That's the before picture. The after picture arrived in my email box on Saturday. She had a birthday at 9 o'clock, as I mentioned, on Saturday morning. There's Cooper Stull. Baby, mommy, and daddy are all doing fine, are over the moon. I talked to her again today, and she's doing great.
Well, between her and her husband, either baby Cooper is going to be a model or doing something modeling numbers. I mean, this child is just going to make it unfair for all other children there are.
This child could also be a tech entrepreneur. I mean, between the 35 or 36 weeks or so that baby Cooper was on set listening to Bloomberg West, I'd say those last 8 to 10 weeks.
He has a Twitter address already.
A patent litigation expert, maybe.
Right,
You
yes.
know, a Facebook valuation expert, and maybe, a Twitter expert, too.